This is a very special piece of music, again, that was penned and inspired by Fergus. So he's had an impact, he's had a tremendous impact on all of us. And we'd just like to take just a couple of minutes to reflect on Fergus. This evening was about him, for him, and it was about all of the way he touched every single one of us here in this room. Through music, through culture, Antanga, Kjol, Rinke, Agus Garda. We've all laughed with Fergie, we've all had so many different sort of journeys with Fergus Branagh. And before we move on to the next part of the night, let's just take a little bit of time to remember Fergie properly. And just turn myself to shut Dermot McGillarua. Maybe you can't see Dermot from the back, but Dermot's sitting here at the keyboard. Dermot's written this piece of music especially for Fergus. And we're going to ask John Connolly, Sean, to knock off the lights there, and we'll just we'll watch this slideshow while Dermot. They're going to just a couple of rubbers full of the rock.
Good morning, Damon. In the week that we lost Fergie, coming a year after we lost Punchy Socanela, it was like two extra fathers that I lost, and I was just broken hearted. I mean, I love being on the committee with Fergie and doing the work that we did, and it was only until he was gone that even though I had a great honour, they had elected me the Cathaoirleach of the Coiste. I just didn't realise at that moment how much we depended on them, on Fergie particularly. So it was those feelings that came to me between the Tuesday when I got the sad news and the day of Fergie's funeral. So I had the first little piece of this written in those few days, and I had the great honour of playing it at his funeral outside the church just before the service began. So here it is anyway. Some of you might have seen the video that my daughter helped me put together with photographs of Fergie. I was on a real grand piano, so I'm going to play a slightly the same tune tonight on this piano. Thank you. Grameen along with.
Thank